Our district is full of opportunities that allow students to discover their passions. At Mackenzie Middle School, a new drone club has opened the door for young pilots. We visited the campus for their first competition.
Today we were doing the air battles,
where we have to go around this whole maze and we're trying to see who can get the farthest without crashing and the least time.
One of them was like a long stick, and like the drone had to go around it.
This is the drone club's first year at Mackenzie Middle School, and club members say it's been exciting.
Drone's fun. It's like you actually get to like experience, like you don't have to move, and yet you can like fly around.
Coach Angie Ratchik says she started the club to give students another opportunity for success.
There's a lot of job opportunities out there, and so we have a lot of kids that maybe struggle in other areas, but they're excellent drone pilots, and so this just gives them another avenue.
Before students fly, they have to log at least 4 hours of safety courses.
Ms. Ratchik's been doing an amazing job on teaching us. She's made us practice, she made us log stuff, she even taught us how to safety as well. Safety is important.
And once they're cleared for takeoff, students have to work together with one pilot and one spotter, helping them learn another valuable skill, teamwork.
All the way to kill. It also develops their mind on like angles, and the drones were easy to fly since they had cameras, which let us see what we're doing.
To celebrate all they've learned, this competition ended with a special awards ceremony that included trophies that were 3D printed at Mackenzie.
Just watching them support each other mostly and learn to work together, that it takes both of them. So they did a really good job, and also just watching them cheer each other on. You know, when the pilot lands, they get really excited. So that just melts my heart to see them be happy like that.
Students from Mackenzie advanced from this competition to another challenge where they competed against students from other schools.